Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to set live wallpapers for your desktop just like this.
I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
So let's get started. First, open Chrome and click the link which is given in the description below. Now click on download button. After downloading the file, open it. Now click on install now. After downloading the software, click on finish. They have already given 4 live wallpapers. If you want to change it, you have to go to the hidden icons and click on whippings. And here you can select any of these and change it. If you want to shuffle all of these videos, you have to just select these videos and click on shuffle. If you want more wallpapers like this, just open Chrome and type mylivewallpapers.com. I will give the link in the description below. Here you can download any of the wallpapers. These are my favorite pics. I will show you how to import them. First you have to select all these videos and drag it and drop it in whippings. I will give the link of these videos in the description below. If you have any doubts regarding this video, please tell your doubts in the comment section below. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.